Shalabah. Those were messages from the one planet Galactus spared. Your planet. These planets weren't so lucky. How many do you remember, Shalabah? Proxy Delphi? Sagan. Do you remember Polaris? They begged for mercy. You brought Galactus to all of these planets. And now, you're bringing him here. To my home! To my family! Just trying to save my world, you know. Like you did.
So give up the child.
Take me, not the boy. Let me make the sacrifice.